Can you guess what stick this is? Guys, welcome to another episode. I'm gonna be unboxing. I don't know what is this light here. I don't know if it's this ring light or it's the bulb. You know, my bulb is on. There's some reflection down here. Anywho, I was unboxing. I've received a package from Kilimall, and of course the excitement, okay? I had already started to unbox, but I want us to finish. So this is the next thing I want us to unbox. And you guys, when you see this, you definitely know it's a stick. Can you guess what stick this is? Staki kuharibu box, but I think I'm going to destroy it. Otherwise, let me get a knife. You see, the good thing of living in a bedsitter, all your items are readily there. Hakuna kwenda kitchen iko hapo tu. Surprise! I got myself a tripod stand. Okay, I've never used this one. This is big. By the way, this is big. I don't have another tripod. My first time having a tripod. Definitely lazima nitoanishe huku chini. I think hizi zinasimamishwa hivi. Oh my god, yes! Yes! Oh gosh! I'm used to using small tripods. Now I have this big one. Although haiwezi enda, it cannot go further than that. Then the height is good. Oh my god! The next one. This is the next item I have. It's a ring light. OMG! Oh, it comes with this and this, I think, and this. See, this one is for, I think this is for connecting with the tripod. Let's see. I'm going to learn how to use it with time, but I feel like the ring light is not that big. I'm quite disappointed with the ring light. Akini kadogo. Then I cannot believe I'll put the camera here. It's going to be too small for my camera. But anyway, we shall know what to do with it with time. OMG guys, I've just set up the ring light and I'm using it currently. Oh, the light is giving. So I'm just going to collect all this dirt. Alafu tuanze vlogs kama kawaida. I want to clean my utensils and start my evening routine. Hey! The excitement of getting a new thing. Let's do this, guys. I can now vlog in my kitchen. Aki, by the way, nilikuwa nimeteseka. Yep, naweza pandisha ring light, nishukishe. So guys, I want to wash the utensils. Look. Wa Meru mnajua hii uji. The sweetest Meru porridge is what I was having. I definitely cannot afford to throw it away. This is how my kitchen is looking. Quite crazy. Quite crazy. Vibuyu. Hii ni kibuyu niliekewa uji. Let me just wash these utensils, guys. Also, I have this. Hii nayo nilikuwa nimewekewa maziwa. I'm coming from home, by the way. It's on a Monday. I went home on the weekend. So, let me quickly wash these utensils. Huwa napenda kuosha nikiweka kwa hii basin. That's why this basin is always here, most of the time. Let me put this away. They are dry.
Hide your feelings, keep your secrets. That's just what they told you. Trust nobody, pack up and leave whenever you want to. It's in the way you say my name. I know you're wondering if I feel the same. So let's stop pretending we don't want commitment, and then we talk on a phone call for 70 minutes. Cause we both know we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. 'Cause we both know that we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. Say we're just friends, that don't make sense. You know what we get up to. I ain't never kissed no friend like this.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. This bird actually woke me up on my window. Dakika amekuwa hapa. I was asking myself what's on my window. Kumbe ni bird. I hope she doesn't run. Acha nikaribie hapo. The early bird. Hey, kameenda. There she goes. Before I do anything, I want to start by soaking my towel. I'm just going to use these Topex to soak. This is just, I never bought these Topex. I got it from an offer. I think ilikuwa kwa either Omo ama sijui. So this is just a way of motivating myself to have a productive day. So naeka tu towel hapo ndio ni feel too motivated kufua nguo leo. If you're like me, like this video. So guys, I want to have indomie. Nimefikiria kitu naweza kula breakfast nikakosa. Nimetumia kidogo nikabakisha kidogo. In the indomie I've cooked half because I cannot finish this food. I'm so hungry, so I just want to eat half of it. I'll have to, maybe I think about the next thing I'm going to have for breakfast because it's like I've exhausted everything in the house. Sina shopping. It looks like today I'm not going to be having anything that will get me out of the house. So I've missed Afrosinema. Nataka watch One by Patience. This one I downloaded on YouTube and I believe itakuwa interesting because we have the famous Patience. Good day, sir. Guys, I just got so hungry. I'm still in my PJs. One button is usually lost here. I just bought these bananas. I want to peel these 2 bananas and cook something very interesting. So guys, let me give you a hack for those who don't love peeling bananas. Unatumia tu mafuta kidogo. Just a little of your cooking oil. You rub it on your hands. Ndio usipate hizo peelings zisistick kwa mikono yako. So I'm just going to do this. I'm super hungry. Super. In fact, it is late lunch because ni kama ni 3 sai. I've been eating a few things, nikakunywa porridge, nini. So it's not like I'm starving myself here. If you are like me, when you spend time in the house, you overeat. Comment down below and tell me. Ndio maana sipendi kukaa idle. So you can see my hands are clean, guys. Although usually there are some bananas which have more stains than others. I don't know where I've placed my knife. Of course, unakuta zingine ziko na stains kuliko zingine. So definitely that could also be a factor. So of course, kama unajua una peel mingi, you just apply a lot of oil kwa mikono. So let's cook. Also, I'm just my my bananas into small pieces. Like, I don't want to have very big pieces. So nakata katikati. Oops, logging. So I just cut very big pieces like this. So viazi nitakata tudogo since the bananas will iva very fast. I just want to add my viazi na ndizi. Meanwhile, nyanya zikiiva ziivanishe pamoja. There is that simmering that happens that is so good and advisable for me. Sasa hapa unakoroganisha tu. Nyanya ikiiva, viazi zako pia zinaiva. Then I'm going to add a little water and then I leave it to cook. Guys, I'm using this to hold my whatever sinaga table. This is the best meal to cook when you're super hungry. Although it doesn't have meat, but if you want the best result, you can add meat. Although ataikuwa hivi ni tamu. Like this video, by the way, if you want the best recipe for matoke. Hii nimepika tu na maharaka zangu because I was hungry. If you want me to cook for you the best matoke, like this video. Also, I feel like I usually do so many cooking videos in my channel. It's only that my life rotates around me living alone and cooking and all the stuff. If you guys would love me to give you more recipes, also like this video so that I'll know, or comment down below. Tell me the videos you want to watch. I'm at your service. Also, I'm feeling like I need to do vlogmas. PSG. Let me just enjoy. Oh, it's hot. Oh. So, let's find anything, by the way. I've never bought a table. Na hata sitanunua because aina mlali pa kuwekwa kwa hii nyumba. The house is full. If you've watched my bedsitter house tour, you know how full this house is. So let me continue struggling. Anyway, acha ni watch.